If you are getting a WinRAR password protected file error, it usually means the archive is encrypted and you are either entering the wrong password or the file is incomplete. First, make sure you are entering the correct password exactly as provided, including uppercase and lowercase letters because passwords are case sensitive. If you do not have the password, you will not be able to open the file, since encrypted archives in WinRAR cannot be bypassed. Check if the file source provided the password separately in a description, email, or download page. Re-download the file if you suspect it may be corrupted, as incomplete downloads can sometimes trigger password errors. Try opening the archive with the latest version of WinRAR because older versions may not support newer encryption methods. Make sure you are typing the password manually instead of copy-pasting, since extra spaces can cause failure. If the file still does not open, test it on another device to confirm it is not a system issue. Avoid using unknown password remover tools because encrypted archives are designed to prevent unauthorized access. If everything is correct but still not working, the file is likely damaged or the password is incorrect.